What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a quick video today. Just got to change the oil and maybe install some window visors. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, I got the car on my homemade ramps so I can get the jack under the bottom. So let's go ahead and jack this thing up. Alright, we got the Costco special oil, full synthetic of course. Honda filter, shout out to Eric, thank you. Marker to write my mileage on there. Funnel. Filter, loosener, tightener thingy. And a magnetic drain bulb plug thing from Greedy, G-Ready, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, this should be pretty cool. Oh, and of course, I gotta get the socket ready to loosen everything up. Alright, so filter's right there, oil pan is still draining, almost done, pretty much done. But I don't know how I'm going to do this with one hand and holding the camera, so I'll just do this off camera and I'll meet you guys back up top. Alright, so filter's on, new drain plug is on. Now let's go ahead and fill it up with the fresh oil. Oh shit, you can screw this in? Oh no, it's a different thread. I got excited for no reason. So I got the oil in. I took the wheels off just to clean the inside barrels and just to check everything out. And I forgot, I have these things. These are S2K mud flaps. They're nice, thin. I think they're 3D printed just because of the design here. But they're literally flaps, but one bolt lines up and that's about it. So I think I'm going to use the self-tapping screws that are already on the car and just make an extra hole cut on the bottom and get them installed. It's a clean look, I think. Alright, let's see what I can do. Alright, so I think I got it where I want it. I used the existing hole here, I tapped the new hole here, and I just used the washer to secure the bottom part. I don't think it's going anywhere, it's on there pretty tight. This lower portion of the car always gets the most dirt and the most rock chips all over it, so whatever. Little subtle things. We'll see how long it lasts. You can always take it off. It's not like I drilled any new holes into the body, so yeah. All right, let me go ahead and do the other side and put the car on the ground and we'll see how it looks. All right, car is back on the ground. Oil change is done. I feel like I need a new oil cap. The stock one is too boring. I need something blue. Anyway, mud flaps, I think they look phenomenal. They're very subtle, but I know they're gonna get the job done because this is protected now for the most part. Let me back up. Yeah, I think they look good. Again, they are S2K mud flaps. I got them from FX 3D Design. Honda S2K, AP1, AP2. These are the fronts only. I don't think they make rear ones, but yeah, just the fronts. I think they look great. So we got the oil change done, mud flaps on. I'm gonna see if I can install some of these window visors. If I can grab one and show you. Jesus. So these are in channel from Well Visors. I got the same brand on my other car. Hopefully these fit great as well. Like I said, they're in channel and they come with, hang on. They have their own double-sided tape to go inside the channel of the window. So I'm gonna clean out the inside just to make sure it's nice and clean and ready for the 3M tape. And I'll just put these in and then roll the window up and let them cure. And hopefully they look good. All right, so this is eraser, it's pretty much like an alcohol, it removes all the oils and stuff. So I'm gonna clean in here, make sure it's all nice and clean and ready to go. See, that's why we do that. Here's the visor. Like I said, there's 3M tape. It's very thin. So I think I'm gonna start with the side closest to the mirror and then just work my way back. I'm gonna pull a little bit of the 3M cover off. Oh shit. Oh no. What's happening? Jesus. Alright. Just so once I have them on, I can pull the rest off. I'm gonna take this side completely off. Get off me. This tape is super thin. I don't even know how they make these. Jesus. These are pretty flexible, so they're designed to bend a little bit during install. So, put one side in. So you see how it overlaps? If you bend it, you'll be able to stick it in there. That's what she said. And then, kind of go along, bending it, and she'll be good now. All right. So this side I took the tape completely off, so this side's good. So if I go like this and go all the way down, please don't rip. There we go. And that last piece right here. Honestly, I don't even think I needed the tape to be on here. This thing is in here pretty good. Alright, so that's good. And now, what you do, open the door, roll the window all the way up. And then just let it dry, and you'll be good to go. Simple as that. They're so subtle you can't even really tell that they're there, but it's pretty cool. I like it. I don't think it's ever gonna fly off, but just because I said that, it's probably going to fly off on the first drive. So, but we'll see. I think it looks good. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Was nothing crazy, but I appreciate you guys sticking around if you're still here. Again, window visors right there. And mud flaps. Bang! And oil change. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below, let me know what you think. And until next time, peace.